The first problem says that we have to round off 18.35 up to 3 digits. So the number is 18.35. It is to be rounded off. That means the cutoff digit is 5. Now let us look at what the rule has to say in this case. The rule says if the digit to be dropped is 5 or followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. So in this particular case 3 is odd, which is the preceding digit. So if you cut off this 5, so this 3 has to be raised by 1, so the answer will become 18.4. Okay. Now let us look at the second problem. Round off 143.45 up to 4 digits. So 143.45 is to be rounded off up to 4 digits. That means you have to cut off. The cutoff digit is 5, which is followed by zeros. The preceding digit is 4, which is even. Okay. Now let us look at the rule that applies here. If the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by 5 or zeros, then preceding digit is left unchanged if the preceding digit is even. So 4 is even, so it is left unchanged. So the answer is 143.4. Now the next problem is we have to round off 18967 up to 3 digits. That means the cutoff digit is somewhere here. Okay, so let us see what the rule has to say in this particular case. If the digit to be dropped is more than 5, which is 6 in this case, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. So you have to raise the preceding digit 9 by 1. So 189, if you raise this 9 by 1, it will become 190. Okay, but remember that the total number of significant digits cannot become lesser. So 18967 now will become 19000. Okay, so this is a good problem where you have to take care of rounding off as well as you have to take care of the total number of digits. Okay, now let us look at the next problem. Rounding off of 12.653 up to 3 digits. That means you have to round it off here. So the digit to be rounded off or the cutoff digit is 5, which is followed by 3, non-zero. Now let us look at the rule. If the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by digits other than 0, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. Okay, so it will become 12.7. Okay. Now let us look at the next problem. Round off 2, 4, 8, 3, 3, 7 up to 3 digits. That means you have to cut off here. Now you see the digit cutoff is 3, which is less than 5. The rule says that the digit to be dropped is less than 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged. That means it will be 248 and 3337 will become 000. Okay, so the answer is 248,000. The next problem says that we have to round off 321.135 up to 4 digits. So 321.135 we have to cut off here. Now this digit 3 is less than 5, so the preceding digit is left unchanged, so it will become 321.1. Okay, now no need to write 00 because if you are writing 00, that means you are increasing the number of significant digits. Okay, so it will be 321.1 only. Next problem, round off 101.55 into 10 to the power 6 up to 4 digits. Now the number of significant digits here are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and now you have to cut off here. The rule says that if the digit to be dropped is 5, which is only 5 or followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 only if it is odd. So the preceding digit is 5 here. Okay, so the answer would be 101.6 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, this thing you could have written also as 1.016 into 10 to the power 8. Both are correct. Now the next problem is to round off 31.325 into 10 to the power minus 5 up to 4 digits. Okay, so you have to cut off here. The digit to be cut off is 5. So the digit to be dropped is 5. Then the preceding digit is left unchanged if it is even. Okay, so 2 is even, therefore the answer will be 31.32 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay.